So many times people misconstrue filter for sorting. That's not the same thing. If you come up here and you say, look, I want to set up a filter, always remember you're going to go to the Data tab. Once you're at the Data tab, you see the little filter. You click on the filter and you'll see the drop downs you see on every one of them. If I only wanted to filter out main, and I select and I deselect the select all, then I select main and I say OK. So now that's what happens when you use the filter. To get it back like it was, all you do is deselect the filter. It's different on sorting. Once you have sorted it, you can't easily get back to the original. So what you should do is come over here to the another new column over here and put 1, enter, 2, and then highlight both of them. Click and drag. Now use the handler, the little cross at the bottom. Remember how it turns into a skinny cross. And drag it all the way down until you selected all of them. Now that you've done that, let's go back up to A so we can actually do Control Home and it'll bring you back to the top. Now if I came over here and I said, look, I want to sort in the last name in ascending order. You click on the A. Now that puts it in ascending. Now if I came back and said, no, let's do from the last letter down to the first letter, that's descending. So we click on that. Now if you wanted all this data back like it was originally, the best way to do it is you had created, remember that extra column over here that had numbered every one of these rows. So all you do is go into that column, right click, and you see where it says sort, and then it says sort smallest to largest. You see how easy it is? Now you are back just like you were at the original.